Hey guys, so I got these rear bumper protectors for my Model 3 and I wanted to give you my first impressions on it and then go about installing them on my car and then eventually tell you if it was actually worth it or not. So it's called the rear trunk bumper protector, and I got these from Amazon. It's a company called Basenor. Maybe I'm butchering the name, but that's what it's called. It's Basenor. I'll link it in the comment section down below. So as you can see, it comes with two of these in the box, and basically there is first impressions, it's metal, so that's pretty good. And first of all, if you guys don't know what a rear bumper protector is actually protecting, it's basically the black. So once you open the trunk, there's a black bar on the bottom. It's almost like a plastic polyester. No, it's almost like a plastic material. And what I noticed that when I was putting in my luggage, sometimes I would scrape it and little bits and pieces of it's actually coming out. So I wanted to obviously protect it, so I went ahead and bought these things. I actually just stumbled upon it on Amazon. So as you can see, it's all metal. It's called the titanium finish, if I believe. And you can just, right now it's wrapped in this plastic, but you can just peel it off, I believe. And yeah, so if you can, I don't know if mine was supposed to be like this. Okay, so you're actually supposed to peel this off. It's basically a protective covering for the metal down below, and it's actually almost like a brushed metal kind of thing. And in the back there's basically 3M tape, so I'll take a couple of cleaning wipes and then I'll wipe it down, and then I'll show you guys the installation process. So yeah. So guys, I want to show you what I was actually talking about. So as you can see, right here, there's a bunch of scrapes on the edge. So whenever you're trying to put in your suitcase or pulling it out, just make sure that you're actually lifting it off this this lip, and you'll be fine. You can see it's quite dirty here because I actually moved in my entire apartment in here. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yep, so here's an before and after shot after the the bumper is installed. I think it came out it looks pretty nice in my opinion, and it also closes perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna do the second half and yep, let you know. So a quick tip of the way I did these things is I removed all the 3M adhesive, and then I went on to proceed to placing it in my car. So if you guys want to go that way, I think that's the best route to do. And you can also, there's also some, there's a little bit of malleability, so you can move it after you install it. So there's that. So it's been a week so far, and the bumper has you know, held up pretty well. One concern that I did have with the bumper was the amount of 3M tape that they included with it. I think it was definitely on the thin side, because for I think I paid around $35 for that price. I feel like they could have given us a little bit of a thicker 3M tape on the bottom, because that's essentially the only thing that's holding the bumper guard to the bumper. Other than that, I have, you know, pulled out my luggage a few times, and it has held up pretty well. There is no damage to the bumper. Essentially, it is metal, so I don't think there should be any damage to the bumper. Yeah, but other than that, hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like these, or things like how did I get a discount of $4,000 on my Model 3, and on top of that we got another $2,000 discount. So if you guys want to see anything related to that, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Definitely feel like a YouTuber when I say that. But until then, thanks for watching. Peace.